We Need a Village Again, WNAVA, is a social justice organization dedicated to advocating, educating, equipping, and empowering underserved and marginalized communities. We believe that every person matters, that human dignity is non-negotiable, and that every individual deserves to be prepared and confident enough to have their voice heard and to participate fully in life. Readers Are Leaders, RAL, is our K-8 online reading tutorial program designed to strengthen literacy skills and build academic confidence. This program is standards-based, engaging, and interactive, and is led by caring certified educators who understand that children learn best when they feel supported, understood, and valued. Our educators provide culturally responsive instruction that affirms the student's heritage and supports their diverse learning styles and needs. If you're looking for a trusted educational partner to support your child's learning journey, Readers Are Leaders is here for you. The RAL Spring 6-week session begins Saturday, March 7th, 2026. Visit www.wanava.com/Readers Are Leaders for details and register today.
We need a village.